is open. Hello mga kakuripot, nandito sa Tehachapi. See the pumpkin?
Tehachapi City, they are having a carnival. You see a lot of people everywhere. See the traffic lady? Because there's so many people crossing the street. Maybe they have a food fair over here. See? Mga kakuripot, tingnan ninyo. We are looking for food because we went to the land to plant like 5 different kinds of fruit trees.
Tagalugan.
Ay, apo ka kabsat kang gagayam kat daytoy
Hindi
kami.
kami maintindihan.
At daytoy kami Tehachapi City,
Nandito kami sa Tehachapi City, California.
California.
May ano yan. Farmers market.
Yan tayo na.
Yan o sa kana, kaliwa.
Inayabantay ko man ni Frankie. Farmers.
I told you we should go pick him up.
No, that's far.
No. We need to park somewhere and we go look around.
Dapat trend dari dyan eh. One road.
Little city.
It's not a little city, it's becoming bigger and bigger. Dagta na dagitay kwa.
Ganda.
Magamati piastada dito eh. Tanta. Birbirok kami di parke yung may dagpay burger dito eh. Dagta na di burger.
Iba yung pinuntahan natin, Sister Vicenta. Wala na yung ano, wala yung Panda Express na nakita.
Okay, let's go to the Panda Express then. Yan alpasan?